Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some more amazing Northern Tool deals to share with you. I will have everything linked down below. We need a promo code for some of these deals. Same promo code as yesterday. And actually, yesterday's video is all sold out, so don't bother going back to watch that one. But we have a bunch here to show you. The first one is the DeWalt 20-volt max brushless compact 1/4-inch impact driver kit. It's coming with two batteries. Now, I believe they're the 1.3 amp hour batteries, so it is an economy kit, but you're getting a brushless impact driver, two batteries, the charger, and the bag. We have a promo code that takes $20 off when you spend $100, so it's going to bring this down to $79. However, we will need that filler item to get us over that $100 threshold. You need a filler item with free shipping unless you buy something else, and I'm going to show you an entire list of things that are currently on sale that you may want to add to this order. But if you just need that filler item, this Milwaukee Shockwave bit is available for $2.49. The promo code you need is available on my website, and here we see it with the $20 promo code discount, so it's $79 plus the little bit for the impact driver kit. If we look at some of the comparables, Home Depot currently has it for $99. Acme Tools has it for $99. And our friends at Tool Barn, old reliable, give us the full retail price every time. They are selling it for $159. Now, I have a link to this drill on the impact driver page because it's basically the exact same deal, just this time you're getting a drill instead of the impact driver. So still $79, still need that filler item. And if you wanted to buy both, split it up into two separate orders. You're getting free shipping anyways, and then you can use that promo code twice, get $20 off of each one. And so I don't have to say it every time, every single item in the video comes with free shipping. Everything is free shipping. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 lithium-ion compact cordless power tool set. You get the 1/2-inch drill driver, the hex impact. You're getting two batteries with that, the charger and the bag. We're taking $20 off, so $129 for this kit using that same promo code. Home Depot selling it for $199. CPO has it for $203.99. Tool Barn $218.99. And then your best other option, Blaine's Rewards members can get it for $169, but then you also have to pay for shipping unless you can pick up in store. Either way, Northern Tool is a much better deal, so it doesn't really matter much. Now, this deal and a few others coming up, we talked about a couple of months ago. They had a similar promo code that took $20 off a $100 purchase, so I came up with an entire list of sale items that it could apply to. And then there's also another promo code that takes $10 off orders of $50 or more. So we're going to look more at that list here in a second, but the point is I posted this once a couple of months ago, but since we have another promo code to get a little bit better deal on it, I said we'll bring these back for people who didn't see it the first time, maybe didn't have a reason to buy it. We're getting closer to Christmas. We got to have Christmas presents in mind. $179.99 after the promo code. You get the 3/8-inch ratchet. You're getting two batteries. You get the little continuity voltage tester, and you get that LED light, the charger, and the bag. You can see it is back ordered, but still available for shipping. Or if you have a Northern Tool near you, you can just pick it up same day, which is kind of handy. Why doesn't Harbor Freight do that? Anyway, okay, real quick. Sidebar, Harbor Freight went through this whole thing a year or two ago of revamping their entire website, but yet in that model, they didn't do a buy online, pick up in store. I just don't get those guys. $179 at Home Depot for just the ratchet. So this is one battery instead of two batteries. You don't get the LED light and you don't get the meter. Over at Tool Barn, $179. And Farm and Fleet, also $179. But hey, at least for this, you get free shipping. So those deals we just looked at will all be linked individually down below. And then I'm going to include this link that has just a huge list of deals. And we have this $20 off 100 code. And we have the $10 off 50 code. Supposed to go through mid-January. They have a track record of killing the codes early, just like the Amazon codes. So you can't necessarily trust that. But let's start going through what's available on this list. We're not going to go through comparables on everything because it's a long list and we don't want to be here all day long. But we have the M12 Fuel Hacksaw Kit, getting the battery and the charger with that. Going to take an additional $20 off. We have the drill bit set at $19.99. It is $10 off. You can use the 10 off 50 if you get your order up to 50, or obviously the 20 off 100 if you pair this with something else you see in the video. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 circular saw, tool only, 6.5 inch, $99. Again, you can use that bit for a filler item to get you over 100 and pick that guy up. Here we have the Palm Nailer M12 kit with one battery. It's going to be $99. Also, Home Depot has this same deal, same price and everything, so you may prefer Home Depot. Here we have the M12 installation drill driver. You're getting 2 batteries, going to be $179. Here is the Milwaukee M12 fuel cordless 3/8 inch drive high speed ratchet kit with a single battery, going to be $179 after our promo code. We have the 2-piece impact driver drill. It's going to be $119. And here we have a Milwaukee M18 kit that is brushless, but it's still a drill and impact driver with 2 batteries. Going to be $179 after the promo code. $169 for the Milwaukee M18 fuel reciprocating saw. $14.99 is a really good deal for this set, especially with getting the free shipping, so it's worth picking up even if you don't try and use one of the codes. But the Shockwave Impact Duty Drill and Drive set, 40-piece set at $14.99. We have the M12 Fuel 2-tool cordless combo kit. You're getting a hammer drill and impact driver with 2 batteries. If you missed out on yesterday's deal, you're getting a hammer drill instead of a regular drill, getting a little bit better battery to go with it, but it went from $79 to $159 for those benefits. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2.5 gallon wet dry vac tool only will be $169. And the Shockwave Impact Duty bit set, $19.99, normally $36.97, 74 piece. Pretty nice deal getting this kit for $59. It's the M12 cordless electric subcompact driver, but you're getting 2 batteries to go with that, so kind of cool deal. $59, again, free shipping. The M18 cordless 2-tool combo kit, 1/2 inch brushless hammer drill driver and the 1/4 inch impact, both brushless tools, 2 batteries. You actually get 1 decent battery there, the 4 amp hour. And I don't know what is that, but that's a 4 amp hour there. $259, taking $20 off, going to be $239 on that one. The M18 cordless hacksaw reciprocating saw, $79. We can use the $10 off to get it to $69, or if maybe you buy one of those bit sets or something, get yourself up to $100, be able to take $20 off. Here we have the DeWalt 20-volt max lithium-ion brushless combo drill kit for $129, which we saw. And the Milwaukee Universal Fit Open Lock 6-piece oscillating multi-tool general purpose blade kit with the handy dandy case, $29.99. Here we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel cordless oscillating multi-tool. It is a tool only. We can get it for $199. The Shockwave Impact Duty bolt extractor set, SAE and metric, $29.97. The DeWalt 20-volt max compact reciprocating saw, again, tool only for $129. That's an amazing saw, really like mine. Milwaukee M18 brushless cordless circular saw kit. You're getting a single battery, 7.25 inch, $199 down to $179 with the promo code. So again, the last link down below is going to be to this page, and everything has the price. It's in the same order that we just went through it, so you should be able to find it fairly easily. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. And hey, if you missed yesterday's deal, you know what you need to do. Click the bell. Bell ringers get the most amazing deals. Everyone else is left with the scraps. Thanks for watching. Hey, I fixed the microphone. I'm not going to re-record the video, but next time it'll be better.